In today's lesson, we will learn how to form the past tense of regular verbs by adding D or ED. A verb is an action word. It expresses physical action, like jump, mental actions, like think, or states of being. The verb to be, for example, am. Past tense of verbs indicate that actions are done in the past, like an hour ago, yesterday, last week, last month, and last year. We form the past tense by adding D or ED to the root word. To add ED to many words, you do not need to change the root word at all. Just add ED. For example, when we add ED to the word enjoy, it becomes enjoyed. We simply copy the root word, then add ED. Let's look at these examples. Play plus ED becomes played. Dress plus ED becomes dressed. And cook plus ED becomes cooked. With words that end in E, we simply add D to the root word. For example, dance ends in E. We just add D to the root word, so it becomes dance. Here are some more examples. Use plus D becomes used. Chase plus D becomes chased. And vote plus D becomes voted. Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time. Write the past tense form of the verb by adding D or ED.